Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Bite marks. Bite marks are the impressions formed by the teeth, mainly the incisors and canine teeth. And these bite marks can be formed on any surface, like the body of the victim, body of the accused, or any eatable item also. Preservation of bite marks. Bite marks can be preserved. One, first and foremost, when you see a bite mark, first you should take a photograph. Photograph is taken with the help of two scales by placing two scales perpendicular to each other beside the bite mark. So this helps us to know the length of the bite mark also. Preparation of cast. We can also prepare the cast using a plaster of Paris, clay, silicone or rubber for preservation of the bite marks. We need to take a swab especially from the fresh bite marks because these bite marks may contain the saliva of assailant. So it is important to collect the swab. Take a cotton swab and moist it with sterile water, and it is used to take the swab from the bite mark.
thank you and thank you for watching.